Belen has been a long-held tradition at General Santos Doctors Hospital, a simple act of faith and thanksgiving growing into a cherished symbol of unity and compassion within our family in the hospital.
For the past 55 years, the hospital has always been a light of hope, and passionate caring and healing to our community. Merry Christmas, and may the peace and joy of this season be with all of us. Thank you.
I've been wanting carols and bells, something so bright.
Are you all ready for our lighting of the GSDH Belen for this year 2025? Let's count down together to welcome the light of Christmas here at General Santos Doctors Hospital.